Yo, everything's so hot. I don't even want to touch this shit, son.
Go ahead and stick your
If
head in
I hit that, I'm gonna get burned. Yikes.
Damn.
What's going on, man? We back with another video. Today we're gonna hit that 1,000-mile mark on the GT350R. Got Ty over here.
Yo.
The plan was for him to be driving his BMW and bringing that out, but he got a little coolant leak, so now he's gonna be bringing out the Eclipse. Gonna be riding with the top down.
Got bad tools in here and everything, just in case we break down. Been a while, but I think I still got it.
Yeah, we're gonna get some nice footage for y'all today, man. We bring the drone out.
You gonna get my code?
Yes, sir.
Tryna be no up, doc. No, oh, I ain't tryna be no up, doc. My daddy left from Palestine and Houston in a coffin. Nah, he ain't dead, but mentally we probably lost him. I feel like Kendrick Perkins running 5-on-5 in Boston. Cause I've been running way too long, now I just feel exhausted. Cause I've seen 18 wakes at 18. I've carried so much weight like Hot Green. I've done things I can't.
Shit, man, we at the outlets. Came out here. Yo, I'm like 7 miles from 1,000.
Are you serious?
Yeah, so
yo,
when we leave here, we pretty much, I want to go to a gas station or something and see, or is there like a Pep Boys out here? Probably better if I go to
there's
Pep Boys or AutoZone.
Yeah, if we go a little further up the main road, there's an auto parts store.
I want to get some oil just in case. Like I want to check my oil because you know I'm about to wild out, so
I know.
I gotta make sure.
That's why I tried to bring the Beamer, man.
Blow the engine on the 1,000-mile break-in video. But yeah, we out here, 7 miles to go. We in Riverhead. It's crazy. Nike outlets, all these outlet stores out here, people wearing face masks and waiting on like 2-hour-long lines to get a pair of sneakers or whatever they buying. We ain't come out here to shop, man. We just came to put the miles on the cars and that's it. Alright, man, so about to check this oil before we start wilding out. Make sure we don't got low oil, load the engine. Especially on this hot day, we don't want to be stranded on the side of the road, man. Yo, everything's so hot, I don't even want to touch this shit, son.
Go ahead and stick your head in
there. If I hit that, I'm gonna get burned. Yikes.
Damn.
Yo, everything is hot, son. How do you get to that shit? Why would they put it right there? You should ain't trying.
That's crazy.
Like if this wasn't here,
well,
oh, they got a little birthday going on. Yo, keep that footage on me. So keep that footage. We gonna get it done. We gonna get it done. Damn, son. Yo, this is hot. The yellow piece is hot.
I'm willing to die for this.
Oh,
now man. You gotta double dip, you know that, right? You gotta put it back in and pull it out. That's how you get the exact.
That's between me and my Mustang.
Yo, dude, keep it that way. I'ma look away.
Hot, man. Damn.
What'd it say? What'd it say?
And we got oil. We ain't at the line, but we could probably give y'all a couple pulls, man, without doing no damage. Sheesh. That shit hot. I I don't even want, this was hot. Just trying to get it open. I played it off when I opened it, but my hand was on fire. That's crazy. All right, man, we just had a little Fridays, little drinky drink, regular drink, no alcohol. And I'm literally 2 miles away from putting 1,000 miles on the car and giving y'all what y'all want, man. Literally 2 miles to go, man. Just 2 miles to go. Shit getting real. When you see his top go down, shit getting real.
That's how you drive it. Down, dude. You ain't gonna get no footage like this anywhere else. You put on a show, you know? Might mess around. Might mess around, you heard me? Boy, you know? Oh, I ain't gonna get to, yeah, I ain't gonna get to.
Yo?
What happened?
Man, you ain't gonna believe what happened.
Huh.
Hit that 1,000, man.
You hit 1,000?
Hit that 1,000.
Oh, shit, you hit 1,000, boy. Tired of tires. Tired of tires. Well, let's go. Top 10.
Alright, man, so we hit 1,000 miles. You got a small taste of what this car can do. I can finally rev out, you know, the 8,200 RPMs. So now I can enjoy the car, man. Now I can drive it how I want to drive it. Listen to this. That's how this car is supposed to sound. Not granny shifting at like 4,000, 5,000 RPMs. Revving it all the way out, 8,200. Not all the time, like we're not gonna beat on the car, but you know, when I need to step on it, now I can step on it, man. All right, man, so if you ever played the video game Grand Theft Auto, then you already know what this life is about, man. You hop out one car, and you hop in another car, man. So we get out the GT350R, and we jump in that BMW 7 Series, fresh and clean, man. Make a clean getaway. That's a wrap for today. We hit the 1,000 mile mark. It's time to get out this hot sun, get some food, get something to drink, chill out, relax. So you already know what to do, man. Hit that like button, drop a comment below, let me know what you think. Now that we hit 1,000 miles, give me some ideas on shit I should do. And subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you on the next one.
Get to acting like a hot shot. Now your body bleeding from the hot shot. You shouldn't have to be my up, doc. You shouldn't have to be my up. Now by the time my daddy left, I barely switched the size and diapers. He was searching for a source to get him higher. Higher learning, I'm focused. Barely make good decisions. I guess when you missing Papa, you tend to be lacking vision. I marvel how we avenge it. Split it with the opinions, divided by our position. Suspicious of our condition. Even though people killing it, lying to get commission. Cause you can live with somebody and never know their intention. These politicians be selling my people that science fiction. I'm guided by my conviction. They think it's a contradiction. I bleed on my composition. My flow is an epidemic. You might need a paramedic as soon as you try and listen. I'm